On a joint resolution announced October 21, the Environmental Ombudsman found a probable cause to indict Pangasinan Governor Amado T. Espino Jr. for authorizing unlawful magnetite extraction activities in favor of an unqualified contractor, resulting to loss of minerals in the conservative amount of 10.7 million pesos. Vicente Oliquino, one of the 13 complainants who filed a complaint for violation of the anti-graft law against Espino, confidently debunked this claim over a press conference in his home October 26. He also announced that Espino has been acquitted by virtue of condemnation from 2 counts of violation of Section 3E of Republic Act No. 3019, or known as Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, over the black sand mining issue in the capital town of Lingayen.
So, ngayon, mayroon na po akong hinahawakang katibayan na ito po ay eksakto base po sa hinimay-himay ng ombudsman. Nandito po ang resulta niyan. Inuuna ka po dito na ang ating governor, si Amado T. Espino, ay absuelto sa kasong yung retawag na administrative case. Absuelto po sila. The same administrative disciplinary case OMB-C-A-12-0024-AB dismissed as against respondent Amado T. Espino on account of the doctrine of condonation by reason of his re-election to the same position. Actually po, yung black sand na yan, matagal nang usapin po yan, diba? Noon pa yan eh. Ang nire-respeto po natin dito yung resulta ng ombudsman, kasi nga naisampa po namin sa ombudsman yan. Ngayon, yung ibang mga tumutulig sa po dyan, tungkol sa black sand, ano na po yan eh, kung baga sa kwan eh, gas-gas na yan eh. Kumita na yan. Ngayon, kung tatanungin ako nila tungkol niya sa black sand, yes, nandyan ang black sand. Mamaya nga, iimbita ko kayo para makita nyo actual mismo na nandyan po yung black sand na tinatawag, yung magnetite. Nando sa barangay Malimpap.
Oliquino said that he and his co-complainants placed a mountain of black sand under watch to ensure that nobody would come and hold them off to China or elsewhere, which is why he was surprised and outraged at reports that the black sand had already been shipped to China, insinuating that the government lost some 10.7 million pesos.
Logically po, kung nawala yung black sand dyan, pwede po nating patulan yan. Nandyan ang black sand, paano po magkakaroon ng logi ang government? Diba? Simple lang naman, diba? Nandyan po ang black sand. Binabantayan po namin yan. Nandyan po yung mga taong barangay ng Malimpap. Kami, binabantayan namin. Wala pong bawas yan. Nandyan.
So,
wala pong naibibenta dyan.
Wala pong katotohanan nag-issue na export permit sa China.
Wala pong katotohanan yan. Kasi nandyan ang eksaktong sagot po dyan sa inyo. Ang black sand po ay naandyan. Period. Hindi na kailangan pagdibatihan yan eh. Hamunin ko pa yung sandi kamay. Pumunta doon sa site para makita nila yung stockpiles. Nandun eh. Kasi yun lang naman ang points dyan eh. Nasaan yung black sand eh. Ngayon, hamunin ko sila na sasamahan ko sila doon ng mga complainants, ipapakita namin sa kanila yung stockpiles na black sand. Naandun yan.
He further said that the export of black sand is legal as provincial government could authorize the same issued by concerned government agencies. But this did not happen as a stockpile of black sand remained on the site.
Actually, walang malinis naman po ang hangarin ng provincial government. Ngayon ko lang naintindihan eh. Kasi yung sinasabi nila yung export na yan, legal yun eh. Yung dokumento ng provincial government, yung sa kanila. Kasi binasa ko sa dokumento mismo, yun ang isinumiti na ipinapaliwanag na yun ay legal sana na ibibenta. Kaso nga, paano nga mangyari mabibenta yun? Kasi nga, naandyan ang black sand. Ibig sabihin, wala pong nangyaring transaksyon na bintangan sa ibang bansa.
As proof, Oliquino and his group led news people to the storage site of the enclosed property intended for an 18-hole golf course but whose construction was aborted with the filing of a case. They showed the course with grass outgrowth and 2 man-made lagoons among other improvements.
Ang inihintay nga ng mga tao dito ngayon sa atin yung programa ng ating provincial government, yung tinatawag nating ecotourism. Kasi base po sa ating kaalaman, yan po ay kumpleto na ang dokumento. Implementation na lang kulang. Yun ang hinihintay ng mga taong bayan. Ang side namin, ang shoreline, yung tinatawag natin shoreline diyan, Noon, hindi pa naman ginagalaw yan, tinutubuan na ng damo yan. Yan, ginagawang pasabsaban yan ng mga kalabaw, o baka, o mga alagang hayop ng mga taga-barangay. So, yun lang ang pagkaalam namin. Ang depensa ng provincial government, maganda naman eh. Kasi nga ecotourism eh. Napaganda naman yung nung sabi nila na hiwala yung yung black sand para tataniman ng siguro yung special grass na tinatawag o ano tawag doon, yung
Grass.
Bermuda grass. Actually lahat yan damo rin yan eh. So ang Bermuda grass kasi, yun ang magandang sa ecotourism. So nagkaroon lang kami ng magkaibang pananaw tungkol sa bagay na yan. Pero actually tama naman yun.
Tama yung
Sa provincial government. Kasi ecotourism.
no debate.
Wala nang debate.
Asked why the area was fenced, Marikino said it was possibly to determine the perimeter of the ecotourism zone and other private lands and not to keep operations unseen.
Eh wala kaming po diyan, wala kaming tutol kasi yan nga ang proyekto ng ecotourism. Eh siguro kasi yan minsan, mang failure diyan kasi diyan yung late punong barangay namin. Hindi niya masyadong na-elaborate sa taong bayan kung bakit babakuran. Siyempre pag sinabing babakuran, ibig sabihin kung marunong kung mag-isip lang tayo bakit babakuran para malaman yung boundary ng ecotourism sa kayong mga pribadong lupa. That is security, fence bakod Di ba? Pagka ecotourism, kailan bakuran talaga.
Pero
The Gulf of Lingayen is an environmentally critical area by virtue of Presidential Proclamation 1258 issued in 1998. The scope of the protected areas covers barangays Estanza, Malimput, Kapandanan, and Sabangan. Sabangan was a pilot area of the negotiated contract for soil remediation activities between the local government and Alexandria Mining. The area is part of a 184-hectare reserve meant for ecotourism and other sustainable development activities and projects. Louis de la Vega, Pangasinan Watch.